March 2023. We're outside the old Bootle Maternity Hospital here, Bootle Borough Hospital. This is the start of Sefton shared use pass to Crosby. It's full of crap. Been like this for many years. Absolutely nothing done to it by Sefton Council. This is a crossing point here. To cross the road here, you've got to go through all this muck. This is going to end up on your pram and wheelchair tyres. Then you're going to drag it into your house, on your feet and on the wheels, into your new car possibly. Not very good. This is the crossing button. Look. Full of crap. It's just totally uncared for. This is on the border of Liverpool, which is about half a mile behind us, and Sefton, the Sunshine Coast. Look at it. Absolutely disgraceful. This is a bus lay-by. Look at the state here. And this continues all the way up to Crosby near enough. Oh look. Somebody's dumped a loudspeaker there. We'll see how long that stays. Look at the crud in the lay-by. Disgusting. Noisy grid there rocking. Go across and have a look at the other side. Wait for them all to slow down. Look at all the crap here. A couple of people with shovels and a wheelbarrow. All it's needed. Again here. Thanks for watching. Email Sefton Council, sefton.gov.uk and report it. Thank you.